KTN News.
And we go back to our earlier story where the program for Christian-Muslim relations in Africa has taken the lead in advancing the agenda of the African continent, aiming to ensure that religious conflicts and wars do not define the region. As a civil society organization, Procmura advocates for the relationship between Christians and Muslims with the goal of promoting mutual respect, harmony and peace. Archbishop Jackson Olisapit of the Anglican Church of Kenya emphasized the importance of interreligious cooperation to enhance the human development of our societies and communities. These remarks were made during the 18th General Assembly meeting held in Mombasa, which brought together representatives from 24 countries, both Muslims and Christians.
Problems bedeviling Africa and why we think that there is no peace and development. Because we agree holistically as a team that without justice, without peace, there can be no development.
I've delved into the whole discussion of loving and caring for each other, but also of eliminating intolerance that normally drive us to religious extremism. And as we were sharing, most of our wars in the world today are either economic or religious aided.
It is a good opportunity for Procmura to also showcase that religious tolerance is a key factor in what we do. And so we are privileged and honored by all this multitude of people who have come from all over Africa to mark this day, 65th birthday of Procmura.
And now let's take a short commercial break. When we come back, we finally get into that conversation on reproductive health and rights in the country. Don't go too far. We'll be back.